have a fun song about a train because we have been playing with our train and I thought of a song, and the song is just like the wheels of the bus, Kami. We're going to say the wheels on the train goes round and round. Who knows what the sound of a train is? Kami, do you know what the sound of a train is?
He goes choo-choo.
Toot toot! That's the whistle to say I'm coming. And Caleb, what is the sound when the train is going like this? All right, let's get into our train and go for a ride. Ready? All right, everybody, let's get on the train. One, two, three. The wheels on the train goes round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the train goes round and round all day long. The people on the train go side to side, side to side, side to side. The people on the train go side to side all day long. The whistle on the train goes toot toot toot, toot toot toot, toot toot toot. The whistle on the train goes toot 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 all day long. The family on the train goes bye everybody, bye everybody, bye everybody. The family on the train goes bye